Okay, teacher, good morning. My name is Pablo Cáceres, and I am recording the screen. This is my screen. Okay, I am not reading. Okay, my name Pablo Enrique Cáceres Rojas. I am going graduating in 20,000 and 25 years. Uh, I am going very happy. Mm, in this celebration, I am going celebrating with my family, with my mother Maria, my wife Paulina, my son Pablo, and my brother Winston. Mm, when I return to my house, when return, I am going celebrating with my friends, all my friends. We are very happy. After my graduation, I found a company. Found a company. Mm, I want create employments with my friends and other peoples, and I want serve to the peoples with employments. Mm, in others, I want my house. Mm, one house very big for life with my family, with my wife and my sons. Okay, and this is all. Thank you so much, teacher. Remember, I not reading. Okay, I captured with my face. Okay, with the camera and recording the screen, all the screen, with my PC. Thank you so much, teacher. Goodbye.